Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good morning, everybody. How are you this morning? I hope everybody is fine. Hopefully. Alhamdulillah, today is the first meeting of the class. This course will be handled by two lecturers. The in-charge person of the course is Dr. Darwis Bandu, MPD, and I'm the second lecturer. My name is Ruslin, SPD, MPD, MSc, PhD. Well, this class or this course is designed to introduce research skills, designs, and methods to students in order for them to be able to communicate their ideas regarding diverse issues in English language teaching or ELT. In this subject, students are required to write and present a mini research proposal on ELT at the end of the class. It is directed to advance and broaden students' view on ELT as well as guide them to convey their ideas, concepts, opinions, and initiatives in a form of scientific research. In addition, it would support students to prepare their final project on English language teaching, research, and seminars. So this is the aim of the course. So because this is the first meeting, I would like to take some time to look at the contract of the course that we are going to go through. So in this course, I'm going to take into account 5 different research assessment foundation. First of all, I would like to consider your presence. Okay, this will be counted 10%, including if you are coming late, including if you are absent, or if you are sick but you don't inform your friend or the chairman of the class, then I will deem it as absent. The second part of the assessment items would be class participation. The portion will be 15%. And the third one would be assignments. Me and Dr. Darwis will give you assignments. Maybe along the 7 meeting, first part of the course, I will give you at least 2 assignments, or could be 3 assignments. And these assignments will be counted 30% of the total of the assessment. The fourth part will be mid-examination. Item examination, you are sitting in the class and take mid-examination in the class. Or it could be take-home mid-examination. And the portion for this examination, mid-examination, will be 25% of the total assessment items. And the fifth would be final examination. The portion will take 30% of the total assessment points. So these 5 items, these 5 categories of our course contract. Everybody should comply it. So if you have questions, please take your time to ask your question. All right? So are you asking about presents? Yes, what I mean presents in this case, you are present at the time of the class, and I will give you 15 minutes for you to come to the class. Otherwise, after 15 minutes, will be deemed late. Alright? Anyone else? Yes, please. Are you asking about assignments? Yes, assignments. So, let's say, for the first meeting, I will only give you first assignment. The assignment could be taking home assignment, could also be in the classroom. Alright? So 30%, for example, if I give you 3 assignments and Mr. Darwis give you 2 assignments, so the total 5 assignments will be deemed as 30% of the total assignments. Does it make sense? Well, anybody asking about mid-examination and final examination? Alright, if you don't ask anything, then I would like to continue. Well, I would like to explain a little bit about mid-examination. Me and Mr. Darwis have already made an agreement that we are going to finish the class at the 7th meeting plus 1 meeting for examination. So mid-examination. So I will take this class all the way to mid-examination. And after mid-examination, Mr. Darwis will handle the class until the end of the class. So basically, the first 7 parts of the class, we are going to discuss about the concept, designs, methodologies relating to research on ELT. And the final 7 part of the class, which is in total 14 meetings, so 2 meetings will be for mid-examination and final examination. So for final examination, as I agreed upon with Dr. Darwis, it will be a kind of mini proposal. So everybody at the end of the course will be tasked, will be assigned to write a mini proposal around 10 to 15 pages, a kind of a product relating to what topic you are interested in, so later on you can carry on for your research for final project of your undergraduate course. Anyway, any more question about the contract of the course? Alright, thank you very much if you already understand. Please keep in mind, I would like to repeat, presents will be deemed 10%, class participation will be 15%, assignments will be in total 30%, and mid-examination will take the portion for 25%, and final examination will be 30%. So the total is 100%. So anyone who could uh, collect the total items of the assessment, it means that he could get A for this course. I hope everybody can do that. Sure? Yes, great. I'm very happy to see the enthusiasm of the class today. Basically, the class is a little bit challenging. It's like entering a jungle. So have a look the slide in front of you. So the course is a research and seminar on English language teaching. So welcome to research and seminar on ELT. Will be handled by Ruslin. As I told you, entering this course a kind of challenge for everyone, because this is a bit more challenging than any course in your journey to complete your undergraduate study. Can everybody find the exit? And how? So these two questions you need to keep in your mind. Okay, just look at the picture, then you come across to see two gentlemen come outside of the box. So everybody is in a box. Like you are now, you are entering this institution, you are choosing English department. It means that you yourself enter inside the box, and then either you finished or you complete the study. It depends so much on you. Alright? Well, but I'm sure everybody have an aim, isn't it? Everybody have something in mind. So you don't go to university with empty mind. So if you have an aim, you can move a mountain. So this is very important for everybody. You need to have a kind of magic, the magic of big thinking. Okay, thinking big. This is the book. So if you are interested to buy the book, so go to Bukalapak, or you can go to Shopee. So the author of the book is David Squats. Alright, let's move. So what is research? Research is a process of steps used to collect and analyze information in order to increase our understanding about the topic or an issue. At a general level, research consists of at least 3 steps. So you need to pose a question, you ask a question that you are going to answer in your research. And then after posing a question, you need to collect data to answer the question. And the third one, present an answer to the question. So this is what Creswell in 2005, page 3, mentioned about. So you pose a question, you collect data to answer the question, and present an answer to the question. Basically, when you pose a question, you write down a proposal, isn't it? And in your proposal, you have the chapter of methodology. In methodology, you are going to have different type of data collection. that we are going to discuss in the next few meetings. The third one will be presenting an answer to the question. It means that after collecting data, you are going to present data and make analysis on the basis of the methodology of data collection that you are using, and then you always revert to questions that you pose, and you make a report regarding the questions that you put in your research, especially in chapter 1. Here we go. So the first part, posing a question and then you have to collect data to answer the question and present an answer, and this is more simple. And this page, so Creswell put at least 6 procedure or process of research. So to be more specific, you identify a research problem that you are interested in. This is very important. You need to identify a research problem that you are interested in. Make sure you are interested in. The second one, reviewing literature related to your research. And the